Hey guys, what's up? Doing an unboxing of a Firman 3200 watt generator inverter. Let's see what we got. We got a quick start guide. We got a dry packet. We got an instruction manual. What's this? I think it's a cover, a bonus cover. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that was in there. Let's see what this is. To put the camera down for a second, but that looks like the regulator for the propane. Hang in there 1 second. Okay, we're back. Here we go. Whoa, a lot of stuff in there. Let's see, we got some Earl. I don't know what kind. Looks like it's 1030, 18 ounces. It's a nice weird size. Let's see, we've got the regulator for the propane tank. Hang in there, let's get this thing out. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, happen to have a propane tank right there. So let's put that over here. What else? Funnel. Looks like charger. Oh, it comes with a tender. Alright, that's pretty cool. And it's like, there's like some tools. Some screws. Alright, let's get this thing out of the box. Hang in there. Alright, there she is. A lot of stuff all over this thing. Man, there's directions in writing and everything. But I'll tell you what, she looks pretty nice. I hope she runs good. Yeah, crazy. Alright, we're going to get some oil in this bad boy. And I'm going to run it with gas. I'll probably try the propane, but I'm going to try with gas first. And we'll fire it up. So we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I connected this wire here. The manual said to connect that. They bring it unconnected so the battery doesn't start. Now I'm going to put in the oil. It says it's got a 20-ounce capacity and it's 18 ounces of oil, so let's fill it up and yeah, we're going to start this thing. Alright, be right back. I should get a drill and try it, but I'm going to let it run for a little while and break it in. Alright, everything looks good. I love the handle. Yeah. Alright, we'll catch up with you on the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Alright, I'm running the generator on gas, and I'm going to switch it to propane. So, propane tank is on, connected, choke is in. Alright, we're going to switch it, and let's see what happens. Oh, you can smell the propane right away. It burns real clean. Yeah, I mean, you don't smell the gas. Not too bad. So, it seems to work on both gas and propane. Let's shut it down and see if she starts. Okay, now we're going to see if she starts on propane. So here we go. We're going to put it to run. I don't know what this thing does. And then we're going to fire it up. And there you have it. Runs great on propane. Alright, let's switch it back to gas. Beautiful. Very happy with it so far. So we'll catch you on the next one. It's a good buy. Definitely worth the money, and I'll let you know how it goes this weekend. Peace.